So let's talk affiliate marketing, and let's talk about this 15-day challenge that you keep seeing come across your TikTok. So the 15-day business builder challenge is basically an introduction to affiliate marketing and how to build a business online. Now, if you take that training, you have to decide, do you want to promote them, do you want to brand them, or do you want to build a business around you and brand you? So as I became comfortable promoting the 15-day challenge, I decided I wanted more training to learn how to build a business inside of a Facebook group where I could promote whatever I want and build a business branding me. The reason why I decided to do that, and you can too, is because my end goal is to be an affiliate marketer for companies around the traveling niche. Because I love traveling and I want to build a business around the laptop lifestyle where I can travel and have a business that I can do at my convenience while I'm traveling. But in order to get there, I have to have basic training. I have to know the basics about, affiliate marketing, how to build a business, and that's where the 15-day challenge comes in. So I don't want you guys to think that the affiliate marketing is a scam or it's multi-level marketing or there's an upline or a downline or it's a scheme, because it's not. It's really a legit business, but it does take time. Instead of scrolling here on TikTok, you're going to have to put in the work. But in the end, if you take that time and you put in the work, you dedicate time every day, and even if it takes you 3 months, 6 months, 9 months to really learn the basics and start earning an income, just think about what you could do with that. Just think about if you applied what you learned to the passion of your own and you turned that into a legit business, and then you lived a laptop lifestyle. So if this interests you, I am actually teaching you how to build a foundation around your business, around your passion. So go ahead and go to my like my video and go here and follow me, join my Facebook group so you can learn more about building a business around your passion.